most innovative aligner.
It's a fifth-generation aligner with shape memory characteristics.
Picture is now done by means of memory shape aligner.
You could say now that's the future, but I tell you, it's already here.
Graphy aligner material shows a very similar behavior like night-tie wires. This is a game changer for clear aligner therapy.
The innovative advantage of the new aligner material is the continuous power transmission thanks to its memory effect.
Direct printing aligner is next generation aligner orthodontic. We move next. Are you still now?